In this video, I'm going to explain equity in the context of PLCs. And I'm going to use very popular images you've probably seen online to drive the point home. So let's get started. Before I show you the images, I want to set some context. Here's what I want you to think about as I show you these three images. What do we want every student to know and be able to do? Right? That's question one of a PLC. It's the foundation of everything you do in a learning community. So in image number one, I want you to think about that. What is it we want every student to be able to do? Here's image two. And here is the third image. So thinking about question one, which again is, what must every student know and be able to do? And thinking about the definition of equity, which is in this context, providing students what they need, when they need it, with urgency. Let's go back to image number one. What is it we want every student to be able to do in this image? And I think it's obvious. We want them to be able to watch the game with an unobstructed view. And so in the equity picture, we're providing students what they need when they need it. In the second image, we want every student to be able to pick the apples from the tree. So again, if you look at the equity side, we're providing students what they need when they need it. And in the third image, we want every student to be able to operate a bicycle. So once again, in the bottom half of it, we're providing students what they need when they need it. And that's how we define equity. So when you think about a PLC, where the outcome is to ensure mastery of essential skills and competencies, in those images, seeing the game with an unobstructed view was essential. Being able to pick apples from the tree was considered essential. And being able to ride the bike is essential. And so as soon as you decide and agree upon what every student must do, then you're engaging in equity at work. So to have an effective PLC, which is equity at work, you've got to establish the bar. You've got to establish that place in your curriculum where every student must go. You must decide what learning outcomes every student must know and be able to do.